Welcome to Travel with Sean. I'm Sean. Today I'm in Chicago, Illinois at the Riverwalk. And we're going to take a walk down the river. I'm going to show you what it looks like and what to do. Point out a few things to do while you're at the Riverwalk in Chicago. I'm standing in front of the Vietnam Memorial here at the Riverwalk. This is a little memorial set up to remember those servicemen, U.S. servicemen, who died during the conflict in Vietnam. As you can see, there are many names on this wall. It's intended to reflect the wall, Vietnam Wall in Washington, D.C., that has the name of all the U.S. servicemen. These are the Chicago servicemen who died in that conflict. And the little ribbon you see on the wall is the military's Vietnam service ribbon. And it says Chicago Remembers. And here you can see the seal of each of the U.S. armed forces that served in the war. In the early 1800s, the Chicago River's connection to Lake Michigan made this an ideal location for trade. But the city's rapid growth created a serious problem. By the late 1800s, sewage and industrial waste had polluted the river, threatening Chicago's drinking water supply from Lake Michigan. In 1900, engineers completed the Chicago Sanitary and Ship Canal, reversing the river's flow away from the lake and into the Mississippi River system. Today, the river is both a working waterway and a symbol of Chicago. Its movable bridges, architecture, and annual St. Patrick's Day tradition of dyeing the river green make it one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. I'm standing next to the Chicago River. Behind me is the Dearborn Street Bridge. That's the location of the first movable bridge in Chicago. Built from wood in 1834, it only had 60 feet for the ships to pass through. And the ship captains felt that was dangerous and complained to the city. By 1839, the city ordered it to be removed. And now, the drawbridge here is the fourth one on that site. It's a hot day and they're offering ice cold water for free for anyone along the Riverwalk coming by. One fun thing to do on the Chicago River is boating. A lot of people like to go boating and a lot of people have their own boats. So if you have a boat and you want to go boating on the Chicago River, you can rent a dock. If you don't have a boat, if you look across the river, there are boats for rent. So you could rent a boat and go up and down the river for a day. Or maybe you just want it for an hour or a couple hours. Still, it's a fun recreation on the river. And all along here, frequently you also see people fishing in the river. One fun activity on the Riverwalk is having a boat tour of the river. Like you see right over here across the river, passengers are loading up for the first tour of the day. It takes about an hour, hour and a half. They sail up the river, turn around, and come back. And during this time, tour guides tell about the history of Chicago, and they point out some of the interesting sights that you can see from the river. When you're in Chicago and you want to take a boat tour, you can sign up right here on the Riverwalk, buy your ticket, and some of them dock right here, some dock on the other side of the river. Or maybe you're interested in hiring a boat for a private cruise or a private tour. Right next to me is another ticket booth for that purpose. If history is not your thing, but you're interested in the architecture along the Chicago River, here's a cruise for you. The architecture tour. One of the best ways to experience the Chicago River is from the water. You can choose a history or architecture boat tour, or if you're feeling more adventurous, rent a kayak or join a kayak guided tour for a closer look at the city's famous skyline. You can even take a nighttime boat tour to enjoy Chicago's city lights along the river. Walking along the Chicago Riverwalk after dark offers a completely different perspective of the city, with the lights of downtown reflecting off the water and the skyline rising above the river. The Chicago River has helped shape the city's history, and today it remains one of the best places to appreciate the architecture and energy of downtown. Thank you for watching. Thank you for traveling along with me. I always appreciate your support. Until next time, bye-bye.